doing bed activities in your wig. But this is the unit. She is cute. Okay. Look at that. Pre-plucked. Alright. Knots have been bleached. She's pre-styled right out the pack. She is ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and put her on because I am ready for this. She is cute. It's like a yaki texture. This is like one of my favorite textures ever because it just mimics black girl hair so good. And not that I'm trying to fool anybody because everybody knows I wear wigs. Everybody knows that. It's no secret. But look at that. OMGG. The texture is just absolutely gorgeous. Let's go ahead and put her on. Let's see what type of work. I do have my flat iron going just in case we need to, you know, bump the ends or what have you. Because sometimes you do have to do a little something to your wig. Even though they come pre-styled and just ready to go, you might want to make a few customizations. Now, it does have this elastic band here. I love that they're coming thinner. And it does have the drawstring in the back. So the cap is very nice, very comfortable. You have your little pulley drawstring in the back. You have your thin elastic built-in band. I absolutely love that. It just adds for a more comfortable wear. Now, that thick band is nice too, but the thinner ones, I think I like those better now since experiencing them more with my premium wigs. I do. It's more of a nicer fit, especially like on the nape of the neck where that band typically sits. And it adds less pressure to the back of the head. So I love that. So look at this. OMGG. Let's get into the hairline. She is nice. So I think that this is one of those that can really and truly be popped on right out of the pack. There's not much that you would need to do to this unless you want to stick it down. But look at the fit. OMGG, she is seamlessly beautiful. Or unless you want to do baby hairs. Now that is an option. I can see that being a thing or being cute with this. A couple of baby hairs along the perimeter. She's cute, but I am going to make sure that my lace is totally seamless. I'm just going to go over it with my residual makeup left on my brush from doing my makeup this morning. And I feel like we'll be chef's kiss. That'll just be the icing on the cake for me. But let me give you the views, the angles, if we will. But this is cute. Look at it. Now, it is layered. Look at that. She's definitely layered. I love that. She's a cutie. Look at it. Let me give you the side views. Okay. How are we looking from the side? She's cute. All right. From the back. Again, check out Beauty Forever. The link is down below in that description box as always. Look at that. OMGG. I'm feeling it. It is nice. She is nice. And it's just something about a straight unit. It's just simple and timeless. I love it. But let me go check out my lace close up and I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back and girl, I didn't do anything but lightly just rub this brush along the sides and right here in the front. I didn't put any extra makeup, just making sure the makeup on my face is getting rubbed into it. But honestly, I didn't feel like it really needed it. But yeah, just to be safe, we just did it. But I absolutely love it. I didn't run the flat iron back through it at all because I don't want to mess it up. I like the way this looks. And sometimes when you do that, it just changes it if you don't do the whole unit. So you have some sections that look different from the others, if that makes sense. So I know some of you know what I mean. So I didn't want to do that. Let's just keep everything the same. And right now it just looks good. It has a natural Really nice flow to it, and we love that. So this one's definitely one to add to the collection if you're looking for something simple, just fast to put on. And this was just easy, simplistic unit, and it looks natural. This is a natural looking unit. I love it. Look at that. Perfect for work, play, whatever. She's just nice. Just simple and chic. I love it. Let me know what you think. Let me know. You definitely got to have this and this yaki texture. It's just so good. This is good. I love it. Now, if we wanted to do the whole tuck behind the ear look, we can do that. Good unit. I love it. Let me know what you think. Okay, I feel like we're going to keep this on for the rest of the day. She is super cute. Chef's kiss, okay? But don't skip over that description box. All the information will be down below, as well as a nice little coupon code for you to save some coin. So definitely check out Beauty Forever, okay? Until next time, I will see you in my next video, and there'll definitely be another video. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, girl, and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Bye.
No, no, no.